Hey Armina, so I hope you are doing well and that you are handling with us. I think it's not too much pressure that we give you with these changes. I'm sorry if we are complicated. Now, regarding this website and the changes, this looks good. I think he will be satisfied with this change with the photos and all of that stuff. All of this looks nice. Now, when it comes to this part, uh, couple of things here to be changed. First of all, this section here where it says his name, Zach Chagani. So we will need Z and C only in capital. The rest should be small letters. So it can be as close as his name here, as you can see in this attached uh, business card or soul sign, whatever this is. So please make his name with the first letters capital only. Then sales representative, make it as well. Keep it red. And this, I'm sorry, this should be, Zach should be in red and Chagani should be in white. Let's do that. Let's do that. So we have Zach red, Chagani white. Sales representative, again, S and R should be capital. The rest will be small letters, but keep the same font. Okay, perfect. Now this part, this is great, but what I will recommend based on the discussion with the client is that we have Remax West Realty logo below his photo, and then Zach Attack. This is great, but Zach should be in red, and the attack should be in white. So red and white, and then below should go this service guarantee results, get it working for you, but you see the font here? So basically the normal font that is like here, such as this font here. So please let's wrap it up. Zach Attack as it is, and below service guarantee results, get it working for you in normal font. Have Remax below his photo, somewhere in the middle. If needed, you can shrink down a little bit his photo now, or you can increase the whole section so everything will adjust here. I hope this makes sense. If doesn't, shoot me on Skype, ping me on Skype, and we can discuss this. Everything else, all good. Maybe you should remove email, phone, and address. Just keep the email, his phone, and address as it is without these additional notes about it. And that should be it. Thank you, and sorry for this. Bye.